Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So guys, it's been a while since I've actually sat down in front of this camera, for a while actually. Basically, we come back from the caravan. I've been ill guys, I've been so poorly. I had a sickness bug, it's just wiped me off my feet basically. And I'm going through the perimenopause as well. I'm just not been feeling great at all. I was on TikTok last night. Basically, I've been seeing this very toned, bright, bold lip, minimal on the eyes. It looks stunning. I took inspiration from this video picture. Oh my god, if that does not scream autumn. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna try and recreate that look as best I can. Absolutely bloody obsessed. I thought we'd sit down together, play with a bit of makeup. I've not played with the makeup for a while, but oh my god, have I not been well at all guys. Like, it's been a struggle. So I've already done my skincare. I'm getting a big friend up here. My skin, I'm breaking out guys. I'm having a mare over here. I don't know what to do about it. I'm going through perimenopause, I've been told that. I'm having the hot sweats. The periods are just unbelievable. The mood swings, oh my god, the mood swings. But yeah, I feel like my body is being taken over by an alien at this point. But this rich, very dark lip and literally minimal on the eyes is all I'm obsessed with at the minute. If you're interested in watching me recreate that look, then let's grab a cup of tea, grab your favourite snack, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so I've already done my skincare this morning. So I've used my rice powder and my Lancome moisturiser. I'm nearly out of that, so I need to buy myself some more moisturiser to be honest. I've kind of done my brows, but I'm going to go back to them. They're not playing today. So I'm using the L'Oreal Glotion. This stuff is beautiful. I love it. How have you guys all been? And welcome to the new subscribers. You have not gone unnoticed. Thank you so much for all the love and support on my recent videos, guys. I love you guys so much. I'm hoping to try and get back into the swing of everything. By next month, which I mean November, we're going on our winter hours. So I'm going to have a bit more time to create videos. So I'm hoping, I mean, it's still going to stick to one video a week. That's what I am going to stick to. I'm definitely going to try and up the ante and do 2. Who knows? I might do shorts as well because I'm quite enjoying doing like a shorts videos. If you're not following me over on TikTok, I've now decided I'm not doing all the little meme things over there anymore. I'm going to try and do more makeup related stuff over there. Yeah, and see where that goes basically. Next thing I'm going to use is this NYX Marshmallow Primer. This is so good. It literally blurs your skin, and that's what I need today. I need a bit of blurred skin because this one on here, oh my god, it hurts, and I know that's going to cause me some problems. I think it's because I'm wearing glasses now at work, because when I'm on the PC all day I tend to get really bad headaches. So I went to the opticians, and yeah, so your girl needs sunglasses because everything was blurry, and I didn't realise until I put these glasses on how blurry everything was. It's literally the best thing that I've done is got myself a pair of glasses, so now I can read my book. I'm almost at the end of the Wings and Fire and Fury or whatever it's called, and then I'm going on to the third one. So I have bought the third book. I'm going to try this for the first time. So this is the Lake Rain Super Fit Cushion. It's basically a dupe for the Tear cushion foundations that I can never find in my shade. Tear have bought out so many different ranges of that now, and still can I find my own shade? No, I can't. So this one's got SPF of 40. I've got it in 22N Ivory, and it literally just looks like the Tear. And you get a little poofy poof in here with it. It's literally just a cushion foundation, so I'm gonna pop some of this on. I think this might be a bit tad too light, but we can always bronzer it up, I suppose. Yeah, this is looking really pale on me. Don't think I'm quite a fan of that one, guys, to be honest. It's making me look a bit like Casper. Sort that out ASAP. I'm gonna use the Curve Case by Mitchell, made by Mitchell, and it's in the light. So I'm gonna use this, and it's so gorgeous, guys. It's so groovy looking. I love this. I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna use, because of how white I am, I'm going to use these two shades, and I'm going to use the Made by Mitchell brush and blend this out. This blends out like an absolute dream, and it like also smells like, you know, like kids Play-Doh or something. Kind of smells like Play-Doh, or like that nostalgia styled like makeup. And I usually mainly use it as like cream bronzer because I don't know how to do contour. I was going to use the blushes out of that curve case as well, but I'm really wanting to use the blush that I picked up from Temu. You know those jelly blushes? If you haven't watched my Temu haul, I'll pop it up here and I'll pop it down below. These are them, and it's called Victoria Key. That's the name of the brand, and basically they're like jelly blushes. It says that they're tinted sticks, so I'm not sure if this is going to literally make my skin pinky pink. I hope it's just going to be able to wash it off, if you know what I mean. So they all look like this bright red, scary intense, and this is the first time I'm going to be using it actually on my skin today, guys. So, well, it feels wet. I think that's probably too much. You have to be quite quick with these because they'll, yeah, I think these are the kind of products you're going to have to work really quite quickly with. Where I've put it, it's literally just stayed in that stripe. It's literally taken the foundation. That's not a bad thing because I really don't like this foundation. Like, I've just blotched it straight on my face. I think this will probably be better if I try it again and do it like under my foundation to begin with, and then put the foundation on top maybe, because that just looks like it's a stripe and that's not what I'm going for. And there's a lorry literally right outside, so if you can hear that, I'm really sorry. So now I'm going to just set that all in place. I'm using the Trigwell Cosmetic loose powder. I don't know what's happened to this lid, to be honest. I don't know whether it's because I have it in my vanity in the bathroom, and the moisture maybe has got to the packaging. To be honest, I haven't really got much left of this powder, so I do need to pick myself up a new loose powder. So if you guys know of any not so spenny, because I don't really spend a lot on powder because powder's powder in my opinion. If you guys know of any really good, like even drugstore loose powders, then let me know, because I do need to pick myself up another powder. I use this and it'll stay with me forever. So it's the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. It's an oldie but a goodie, guys. I'm going to use the Anastasia. I know it's posh, I got it from TK Maxx, okay. And this is in the shade Saddle. Gorgeous. I'm going to use a Made by Mitchell brush. Yeah, everything's just sticking to that now. Not the greatest. We'll make it work for today. So now I'll bloody way around it, and then I'll just get my sponge and just blend it in. But it's not looking great. Now for blusher, guys, I haven't used this palette in bloody ages, and it's a P. Louise one. It's the blush palette. So it's my first blush. Look how stunning these shades are. I've literally probably used this palette once for a video, and it's never seen the bloody light of day again. I'm gonna try and go through my makeup this year into next year and use what I've got. I mean, there's always gonna be things that I'm gonna pick up alongside, but I don't have any other blushes other than pinks, so that might be a bit too blushy. I need to pick up some more autumny type peachy blushes now we've gone into autumn. So there she says, I'm not going to buy any more makeup, and then I'm like, I need a new blush, there's a new powder. Just a blush and a powder. I definitely don't need any more eyeshadow palettes. I've got so many eyeshadow palettes at the minute that I've not even barely touched. Like, I mean, I've got this big rich palette from Beauty Bay. Beauty Bay palettes, by the way, guys, don't sleep on them. They are amazing. They are some of the best palettes I've ever had, and I love the rich palette. But then again, I haven't even dived into any of these shades, and that just screams autumn to me. I'm mainly going to be using like these light browns and darker tones today, but I want to jump into like these plum reds. But obviously with me doing a plum lip, I'm doing a bit minimal on the eyes today, So I'm going to bring you guys in. I'm going to do the eyes now. I can't read the shades, guys, because I haven't got my glasses on, and if I wear my glasses it'll be a glare. So we're just going to go into this shade right here and take that on a P. Louise fluffy brush. Not going too crazy on the eyes, but I want them nice and rich and brown. Really light motions. Bring that shade just under. Any like videos that you guys would like to see from me, just let me know, because it's always helps me out as well, because sometimes, you know, I don't know what to bloody film. This Saturday, today's Tuesday, so this Saturday at work we've got a Halloween thing going on, and I think I'm just going to dress up, well, not dress up, do my hair and my makeup like Wednesday Addams. I'm then going to go into the shade next to that one, which is a bit darker brown, and just pat that into the outer corner again, doing the same motions. I am now going to change my brush up and get a smaller brush, more like this little pencil-y brush. This is another P. Louise one. It's their 234 brush. Think into this nice little chocolatey brown here. I love a good smoky eye, especially this time of year. A brown smoky eye is so sexy, especially with blue eyes. It makes your eyes pop. Let's go into this shade, this glitter shade just here. Oh yeah, Jordana T-shirt Twinkle Tower, and I love the shade Key, which is this shade. And guys, I've hit pan on it already. I love it that much. I wear it virtually every single day. I'm just going to pop it today in the inner corner. So I've just gone and picked this one, Norvina Chroma Stick in black. So with the lips, I don't have a berry liner, but I do have this gorgeous liner. So I mean, it only helps to line the lips. I'm going to set it before I do some mascara, so I'm going to use the e.l.f. setting spray. So this is the Dewy Coconut setting spray. Brings your face back to life, and of course I'm going to be bougie. Oh, I just love this fan. I'm obsessed with this mascara. I don't think I'm going to put lashes on today, and I just can't be arsed. I don't like putting lashes on, and I only put them on if I really need to, if I'm going to an event or something. But this Milk mascara, I don't need lashes, girls. I don't need lashes. It's just stunning, and it's my favourite mascara at the minute. I think I got this out of a mystery bag from Twee. I think I'm going to treat myself to another one for my birthday. Yes, I'm going to ask Tony to get me one for my birthday. I think that's what I want. Right guys, the most important bit, the most exciting bit, the lips. A glossy version and a matte version. Now the matte version I wear every single day, so I'm going to definitely show you. This is kind of like the look that I'll go for every single day. I'll down it down a little bit, but the eyes and the lips, they're the ones that I wear every day. Obsessed. I'm going to show you, but I'm going to show you first the glossy version, because I haven't even tried the glossy version myself. So this will be a firstie. I don't know about this lip liner because it's more red than it is berry. I am going to just use my nude one from Huda Beauty, and this one is the Huda Beauty lip liner in muted pink. I need to get myself a more berry toned lip liner. Yeah, it's not giving like berry, and I need to get myself a berry lip liner. So if you guys know where I can get my hands on a really nice, not too spenny lip liner, I'm going to try Primark, because a few people that I've been watching, I've got some lip liners from Primark, and I forgot how good Primark lip liners are. This, I got it in the mystery bag from Twee. If you haven't watched that video, by the way, I'll post it here and down here for you. So this is from Tarte. We don't get that in the UK, I don't think, unless you can actually get it on Sephora now, because Sephora is in the UK, guys. And it's their lip vinyl in the shade, can I actually see what shade it is? It's in the shade Apple. I can't see a bloody thing. And when I say it's berry, look at this. Oh, stunning. Oh, I'm not allowed to swear on YouTube. She is stunning. Put her on the lips. I haven't worn this on my lips yet. Oh my god, very messy. Oh, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. That looks bloody gorgeous. Bloody hell. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to show you my other obsession, which is the nude. But guys, I just bloody love autumn. This is why I love autumn. So then guys, I've already put the lip liner back on, which is the Huda Beauty one, and then I'm going to go in with my MAC lipstick that I wear virtually every single day. I love this, and it gives you that gorgeous berry I'm obsessed with, in Ring the Alarm. Let me just show you. This is such a gorgeous berry toned matte lipstick, and for this autumn I'm obsessed. So this is lip number two, which is a matte. Oh, I'm obsessed, guys. I love it so much. Let me know which one you like, whether you like the glossier version or the matte version. And this is literally how I wear my makeup at the minute for work. I mean, the eyes are a little bit more intense than what I normally go for. But I think I've killed the look that I was going for, the inspiration. Let's see what you guys think. I think I killed it. I love it. I absolutely bloody love it. So if you guys love it as much as me, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you're updated every single time I upload a new video, which is once a week here on my channel. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.